Welcome to your SkyPlug cord fixture installation guide. It is important to determine the fixture hanging height before cutting the wire. Typical fixture hanging height is 66 inches from the bottom of the fixture to the floor and 36 inches to the tabletop. For the cord fixture assembly, you will be using the finial nut and the pendant swivel finial from the kit. If you haven't already done so, remove the original canopy and hardware from the light fixture. After determining your desired height, leave about 6 inches additional wire length for the connection to the SkyPlug. Place the finial nut from the kit down the cord, followed by the canopy with the decorative side facing down. Insert the wire through the pendant finial as shown. Loosen the screws on the top of the SkyPlug to allow the wires to be inserted into the wiring terminals. Route the fixture wire into the U-shaped channel of the threaded stem. Holding the wire in one hand, attach the pendant finial and turn to tighten it, but do not over-tighten. Cut the remaining wire if needed while leaving enough wire length to insert into the terminals. Strip the edge of each wire to 3/16 inches. Twist the copper wire to help prevent any loose strands. Live is black color or wire with writing and a smooth edge. Insert the neutral wire into the terminal marked W. Neutral is white color or wire without writing and with a rough edge. Tighten the screws to ensure the wires are firmly secured and cannot be pulled out. Insert the ground wire into the terminal marked G. Ground is usually bare copper or green color. Some fixtures may not be supplied with the ground wire. You are now ready to install your light fixture by plugging it into the SkyOutlet. To install, hold the fixture and press the push button on the side of the SkyPlug. Keep the button pressed in until inserted into the SkyOutlet. Once fully inserted, let go of the push button and push up on the SkyPlug to lock it in. You should hear a clicking sound. Slide the lighting base canopy up to the ceiling. Secure the canopy with the finial nut. The SkyPlug has 2 sets of locking bearings to support the light fixture. The first set mechanically secures the SkyPlug to the SkyOutlet. Once the SkyPlug is fully inserted, the second set locks into place and allows for both electrical contact and mechanical support. If the SkyPlug drops down, the fixture is not fully engaged. Repeat the process if needed. Press the SkyPlug push button. Once inserted, let go and push up towards the ceiling until you hear a clicking sound. To remove the fixture, press the push button on the side of the SkyPlug to release the fixture. Lastly, if desired, use the center cap to cover and protect the SkyOutlet while painting, cleaning, or maintenance. To install, align the 2 slots on the cover plate and turn to secure. You have successfully installed your plug and play luminaire.